Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are correct. Update and relaunch Discord, and confirm your OS uses the right input and output devices. Once done, open Settings right arrow Voice and Video and explicitly select the microphone and speaker you intend to stream with. Make a short test call using the built-in mic test so you can hear latency and clipping. This gives immediate diagnostics. If the device isn't visible, reinstall its driver or reconnect the USB/analog cable before continuing to deeper settings. Next, you tune Discord's advanced controls. Turn off automatic input sensitivity or raise the threshold slightly to prevent dropouts, and enable echo cancellation if needed. If glitches remain, switch to Legacy Audio Subsystem in the audio settings. That resolves many Windows driver conflicts. Also, in your OS sound control panel, disable exclusive mode for the device and set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz to match Discord's expected rate. These changes stabilize capture, and finally, when you go live, pick Share Screen right arrow application or entire screen and make sure the sound toggle is enabled. This transmits system audio. If audio still sounds poor, increase the stream bitrate in server or channel settings and remind listeners to use headphones so echo is avoided. If issues persist, clear Discord's cache, fully reinstall the app, or try Discord in a browser as a diagnostic. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio works on web but not app, a clean reinstall usually resolves corrupted audio subsystem files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.